Hi, this is Carol and welcome to my channel Inspired By. Today, myself and my dear friend Angela from Angela's Hangout is hosting this collaboration called Style with Your Heart. First thing I'm going to show you is my DIY sign that I purchased the Love You from the Dollar Tree, and the frame was an old picture frame that I had that the glass had broke, and I just put some bling glitter on it and just adhered the little I love you sign onto the picture. Then below here I have my Hershey's Kisses. I love chocolate. Some my wine with strawberries, and behind it, let me move this, I have my ice bucket with pearls and ice cold water chilling my non-alcoholic wine. Oops. Right here I have some chocolate covered strawberries. I also have my Valentine theme serviettes. And below I have a DIY that I did on this little bucket. I was inspired by the Pier 1 buckets that they had, but I didn't want to pay the price for it. And right here I have initial wine glasses that I purchased from Pier 1, and they are the initials of myself and my husband. I think that that's so romantic. And below I have some more non-alcoholic drinks because I have to go to work tomorrow, so the last thing I want is to be suffering from a hangover. So that's about it for my bar cart. I also have other glasses in the back for other beverages if we choose to drink something else. I would like to thank everyone who participated in this collaboration, especially my dear friend Angela from Angela's Hangout. And I would like to encourage each and every one of you to go and view the other participants' style ideas. I'm telling you, I've subscribed to a lot of these people and their work is amazing. Once again, this is Carol from Inspired By. And please, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so that you will be alerted whenever I upload a video, and have yourself a great day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.